Standing in the lobby, wearing shorts and a t-shirt, is Matthew Jones.
Right? It's 19 degrees outside. It's about 6 a.m.
The family's attorney says he came to St. Mary Corwin Hospital in Pueblo for foot pain. Jones is apparently waiting for a ride.
But at some point, security guards come from different sides of him and surround him. They're trying to get him to leave.
Security video shows 4 guards take Jones to the ground. That's where we'll stop the footage. They hold him on his stomach for minutes. One guard's hand is pressing on Jones's neck.
They tried to claim that he tore a phone cord out of the wall. Again, don't see that on video. Certainly doesn't give you a license to kill someone.
Jason Jordan is representing Jones's widow, Deidre Jones. The security guards were charged in Jones's death, but the case was dropped. Now she's taking the healthcare system to court.
She wants to have accountability and justice for her husband.
Jordan shared a document that's now sealed because the charges were dropped. It says one guard told police they tried to force Jones out of the hospital because he refused to leave. According to that document, a nurse heard Jones tell guards he can't breathe. Jones's wife said Monday someone at the hospital told her a different story.
A manager told me that Matt had got agitated and coded, and they hit the ground, and he hit the ground, and he hit the ground hard. They didn't tell me that he was attacked by their staff or that he was held down with the forearm buried in his neck until he couldn't breathe. They lied.
Jones died 8 days later. He didn't get enough oxygen to his brain.
Someone is just applying pressure in a way and using their authority to do this. It's something that I think that Deidre wants to bring light to.
The lawsuit says the healthcare system failed to properly train and educate its employees. Security guards kept Jones face down for minutes, and he stopped breathing.
I think we've seen it before, but it continues. It still goes on.
Our partners in Colorado Springs have reported at the time that the district attorney believed there wasn't enough evidence to prove beyond a reasonable doubt, and that's why the case was dropped. The owner of the hospital, Centura Health, did send us a statement. In part, it says, "We extend our deepest condolences to the family." It later cited patient confidentiality and a pending litigation as reasons why they could not comment any further. Kyle.
As the attorney points out, not the first one of these that we've seen.
Yes, Chris Vanderveen has reported on many of these cases, reported on more than 100 people who have died in this scenario. Time and time again, they were told decades ago that this was a way that people could die.
Kelly Rinke, thank you. If you're interested in seeing our prior reporting related to the issue of prone restraint, you can see we tracked more than 100 cases across the country of people who died under knees and elbows and bodies of people trying to restrain them, including law enforcement. And as Kelly noted, police were warned back in the mid-90s people can die this way, that there's better ways to restrain people. But we found the practice has continued, and it's led to more than $100 million worth of settlements and jury verdicts. There's an in-depth look at why this keeps happening on 9news.com.